Forget the shit in the jar. Let's make aioli. I got a couple egg yolks. Roasted garlic, because I don't like raw garlic. Doing a little hot sauce. Chipotle Tabasco. A little Dijon. Fresh lemon. Okay, then you're just going to immersion this. And then it's all about the oil. The best tasting oil to use for your dressings and vinaigrettes, if you're not using extra virgin, is actually corn oil. It has the best flavor. P.S. Just ask Nobu. I heard that's what he uses. Drizzle in. And just give it a taste. Delicious. Super mustardy. Super rich and thick. Add a flavor. I have this fun one with little fresh orange and a little saffron. Impress your friends and family. And then you have the orange saffron, which is super bright and vibrant.